I'm so excited to talk to you, Chef Nuit. I feel like I've enjoyed your food for years. You're one of the most beloved chefs in the city.
Oh, thank you.
Why do you think it is that people love Thai food?
Thai food very flavorful. You have a bite of like a sweet, salty, sour, spicy, and umami. Everything is very complex.
So you've been involved in a few different restaurants in the city. Can you tell me about Kiin?
Kiin is royal cuisine inspired. The royal cuisine is almost extinct in Thailand because most of the everyday eating we eat like a street style. We eat food that we can get it from our backyard or like a local market. Royal cuisine style, it's very, very special. They choose from the best ingredients and also the technique cooking for royal cuisine style, very delicate. We put our thought and care into how they're gonna make it beautiful on the table. Some fruits or vegetable, even carving to like a beautiful flower-like or even like leaves and everything.
We have some guests today that we'll be serving. What kind of impression do you want to make on them?
I want to make they feel like very special, of course. I want that they love the food because the flavor that we and my team make, it's very, very authentic, very traditional.
All right, cheers.
Nice to see you.
Nice to meet you too.
So good.
Have you ever had a meal like this before?
Not so often, you know. We work and then we easy food, fast food for Thai on the street. Yeah.
People in Canada, we love Thai food.
Thai food like a Thai girl.
Yeah. We are different. We are diversity. So many things going on.
And very spicy.
You like spicy food?
Yeah, like me.
Now, between the three of you, who's the best chef?
Oh, I think not chef.
No?
Everyone not
Yeah.
chef.
That's not your talent.
Everyone is eater.
Well, you're good at so many different things, right? You have to sing, you have to dance, costume designer. Let's talk about why you decided to do drag.
Because I love to dance. But I want everyone look at me but so happy when I perform. Yeah.
I was in the theater. I worked, in the Ladyboy cabaret show, like transgender cabaret show, and then I kind of used to it. I was something new, and I get out of the place to develop myself, to produce my own show and then perform my own show. So I become a drag queen.
I love art and I study about performing art. I want to teach everyone inspire by yourself.
For me, she is a very good teacher, and she very inspiring people by being herself. And then she mostly a shy person, and she go through that, and then that inspire me too, and inspire other people.
Do you get nervous before you have to perform?
Ooh, sure.
Yeah. Nervous mean we care.
Do you find that the drag culture in Thailand is different from the rest of the world?
Honestly, before I was think that it was different. I by the look and the attitude. But I think we have the same passion to set ourselves free, to let people see, to entertain them, and that is the thing that inspire people.
But I have to say, I think the drag queens on Drag Race Thailand is like next level.
We are like crazy.
If you could redo the competition, is there anything you would do differently?
No.
No.
We hold perfect. Nah. But nobody is perfect.
Everything that we do make us a better person. Yeah.
And you're friends, so is it weird to compete with each other?
Yes, of course.
Yes.
Yeah.
You're not friends?
Absolutely.
Where do you like to go in Thailand? Where do you like to just hang out?
We are an entertainer in the bar, like at a nightclub. So we don't hang out.
You don't?
I mean, we work and then hang out at the same time. But I prefer like when the rest time I want to go like to the beach and natural.
Okay, you like that. And Thailand has a lot of beautiful beaches. a lot of
It's
scenery.
amazing Thailand, you know.
Yeah.
You can come to see art in Stranger Bar and Mackie Chill. And I can go with you everywhere if you want.
I would love that. Is there anywhere you want to go you haven't been yet?
I want to go to the sea. I like to drive.
Yeah.
Because I've stayed in the north, you know. I saw in the mountain so much. I want to see in a mermaid, you know. Look in the sun. ร้องได้แค่เนี้ยจ้ะ
I love mountain and forest
Okay. So you never need to leave Thailand. You have all of that in
Yes.
Thailand.
Yeah.
You have the beaches, you have the mountains, you have the city.
you have everything in Thailand
What's your favorite thing about Thailand?
Me.
smile
Yeah, everybody's
Yeah.
so friendly, smiling.
My favorite thing in Thailand is people. They are very nice and very open, very friendly. They open a lot for us,
Yes.
like for us, our gender. Like
I think there's a similarity between Thailand and Canada. Canada is also very diverse, we're very friendly here.
you know, people smiling at us and they're like exciting, want to take photo, and it was
yes
so
when we
good.
walk someone know us
Yeah.
wow from Reckless Thailand
Yes,
Kandy Angele Kana
Do you have any messages for your Canadian fans?
yes Thai food delicious
Thank you very much, Naka, Canadian fan. I love you very much, and thank you for loving us and loving the show.
Hope to see you in Thailand too. Please come to
Yes.
Thailand because อะไรนะ
We-
We believe อะไรนะ
We believe that diversity is amazing.
Yeah เห็นไหมกดเข้ามาได้
พูดว่าอะไรนะครับ
We believe diversity is amazing. Please come to us because we are family.
Yeah
We believe that
diversity is amazing
โอเค time to rehearsal we believe that diversity
is amazing.
is amazing
Okay.
3 2 1